Tesco Clubcard offers two convenient ways to earn points on fuel purchases: scan at pump and pay in store. Scan at pump involves using the Tesco Clubcard app or physical card at the fuel pump's NFC reader to automatically fill payment details and credit points instantly. This method is faster, reducing transaction times by up to 30%, and requires linking your Clubcard to a payment method in the app. The pay-in-store method requires filling up first, then paying inside the station and presenting the Clubcard for points redemption. This allows for additional purchases, but is less streamlined. Currently, all Tesco stations support both options. Choose Scan at Pump for speed and convenience, or Pay in Store if you also need to purchase other items. To maximize your Tesco Clubcard fuel benefits, start by downloading the Tesco Clubcard app for easy Scan at Pump access. Be sure to link a payment method in the app to enable seamless transactions. Watch for promotions like fuel rewards for bonus points on your purchases. Looking ahead, future trends include increased digital integration with full app-based transactions predicted by 2027, eliminating the need for physical cards. Tesco is expanding Clubcard to non-Tesco stations via partnerships and enabling points redemption for electric vehicle charging credits at Tesco stations, supporting sustainability. The rise of AI-driven personalization means you might receive app notifications offering fuel discounts based on your purchase history. Stay updated on these advancements to take full advantage of your Tesco Clubcard fuel benefits.